beloved French orchard dessert, this cherry vanilla clafoutis nestled sweet summer cherries within a delicate vanilla custard batter that bakes to golden perfection. Neither cake nor custard, it is a charming blend of both. For a refreshing summer treat, chill it for an hour before serving and pair it with a scoop of vanilla honey coconut ice cream. It is the perfect addition to tea time gatherings, garden parties, and slow afternoons beneath the shade of summer trees. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease an 8-inch ceramic baking dish, tart dish, or pie plate and set it aside. I found these beautiful cherries at our local farmers market during the annual cherry festival, and they were simply too lovely to resist. If you ever pitted cherries by hand, you will understand my excitement over this little cherry pitter. It makes preparing summer desserts like this one so much easier. Once your cherries are pitted, arrange them evenly across the bottom of your prepared baking dish. I like to place them in a simple yet elegant pattern so each slice feels a little special. Now for the custard batter. In a high-speed blender, combine coconut milk, honey, almond flour, sea salt, arrowroot starch, pure vanilla extract, and finally, eggs. The honey adds a gentle natural sweetness, while the almond flour creates a wonderful, delicate texture. Blend everything until smooth, silky, and beautifully combined. Carefully pour the batter over the cherries, allowing it to settle all around the fruit. Bake for 27 to 30 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden and the center is just set with a gentle wobble. The clafoutis will puff beautifully in the oven and then settle slightly as it cools. And here is a little French secret. A proper clafoutis should still have a slight jiggle in the center when it comes out of the oven. If you bake it until it's firm, it can become eggy and lose that soft, light texture that makes this dessert so very special. You're looking for a light golden edge and the center to gently wobble when moved. Allow it to cool for 15 to 20 minutes before serving. Once cooled, dust the top lightly with powdered monk fruit sweetener for an elegant finish. And now for my favorite part. To transform this into the most refreshing summer dessert, serve it with a generous scoop of my homemade vanilla honey coconut ice cream. Finish with a few fresh cherries on top and serve immediately. There is something so lovely about seasonal desserts like this one. They invite us to slow down, gather around the table, and celebrate the abundance of the season. May your July be filled with abundance, joy, and sweet homemade traditions. Bon appetit!